Okay, hi guys, another little lot to show you. A couple of interesting little brands. Now, this is a brand that it's fairly new. It's called Hobby 2000. These guys have yet to do their own kits. So what they actually do is take other brands, rebox them, put some new decals in them, and that's about it. But some of them haven't been around for ages, so it's a great way to pick up some of the new kits. This is these are all nearly 70-second scale stuff. So this is all this is the Hurricane. This is Hasegawa's Hurricane rebox. So you've got that one. That's 70-second. They've also done the F111 DF. I haven't seen them do the Aussie one yet, and I don't know that they will, but anyway, that's the DF. So there's that one. That's Hasegawa's. This is Hasegawa's Avenger, also TBF TBM 1C. And in 48 scale, they've also done a few. This is the 48 scale Stuka, also by Hasegawa. So you know what the quality of the kit's going to be like, and the plastic's very, very similar to what Hasegawa does. So it's just a way of maybe picking up these kits. They come with new, as I said, new markings, things like that. So they're pretty cool. They've done quite a few other things. They're doing the P40N, they're doing P40Es. They've done some Skyhawk. So the brand itself is growing quite well. They still haven't done anything of their own, but it is growing quite well. So there you go. From Great Wall, this is a new one from Great Wall Hobby. This is the 70-second scale F15E, 75th D-Day anniversary. So it's essentially a F15E painted in its normal colour scheme, but it has invasion stripes all over it. So if you like this particular kit and you want to do another F15E, there's a nice colour scheme for that. Now, this is just arrived from Zvezda. This is very nice. It is not the Accurate Miniatures IL Shturmovik. This is an all-new tool, all their own. The reviews I've read say it's very, very good. It is a different variant from the Accurate Miniatures ones, but I believe there's more and more of these, more variants to come. The way the kit is set up, it's obvious that that's the plan. But it's 48 scale, it's very nice. As I said, the reviews have been good. A little bit of info on the back there for it. Nice colour schemes, nice little detail. Interior bomb bay, cockpit, undercarriage. So yeah, look, it's quite a nice kit. I've got the Accurate Miniatures ones, and I've built a couple of them over the years. So it'll be interesting to see how this one turns out. If you're also wanting to add to that group, this particular one, the 48 scale PE2 has come back into stock as well. So there you go. There's another bunch of kits to have a look at. Have a great day. See you soon. Bye.